G'day, I'm Joe and this is Kate. Join us as we travel around Australia in our little caravan and rooftop tinning. Cheers guys, hope you enjoy. Welcome back to another episode. This week we're staying at Kyabram, Kate's cousin's place. And today we have come out to the Channel Country and we're going to try for a yabbie. Now yesterday we actually did sneak out here and we set a few opera house nets, although they're not actually opera house nets, they're like shrimp nets. Opera house nets are illegal around here, so we won't be using those. But it's very fun, I tell you what. Like, this is the country we're in here. Alrighty, first net, here we go. Oh, no good at all. Okay. Put a bit of that in there. Moving on. First one not successful at all. There we go, here's another one.
Few?
One.
No, two.
Two.
A little bit bigger.
That's it. That's what we are after. And I'm just rebaiting them with just a bit of meat. Best bait, I think, on the word on the street is liver. So I went to the butcher's this morning and I just asked him for yabbie meat, and he actually just gave me this. So bloody legend. Thank you very much for that. Hopefully it works just as good as liver. We'll get them back in. Alrighty. We got a few, at least one. There you go. That's good. That's a good bait one, but we'll let him go. Oh, oh, it's like day-old liver. That is bad.
Ooh.
So, $2. Kate's about to throw up. $2 from Woolies. It is so stinky. Holy mollies! But yabbies love it. So you just cut a little bit like that on your bit of string. You just tie it off. Jeez, we're dealing with some flies this morning. Just like that. And all you do, sit it straight in the water, stab it into the bank. That line will go super tight when there's a yabbie on it, and you grab one of these little scoop nets, and basically we'll show you when it happens. You lift the string up, scoop underneath it, that's how you get yabbies. Anyway, we'll set up about 10 of these and see what happens. Righto, so obviously we just got the string here, a bit of meat on it, and all you do is just lift it up nice and slow. Scoop underneath it, and there you go. That's obviously about as small as they get, but tell you what, it is an absolute load of fun when they're on. We're struggling a bit today. We've had them in for about 5 or 10 minutes now, and that's the first bit of action that we got. But anyway, we're on the board. We got one. There you go. He's so small. All right up to the camera. Right, well, Kate's just bagged this one, and now she might be on again.
I think it was just in Yeah, no, I just pulled him off this one.
How's this though? That's what we're after. Look at the tail on him.
He's all claws.
He is all claws, but that's alright. Anyway, so what we're doing with them is putting them in this freezer. And this was our little effort from yesterday. So I'll just throw all these in there now and yeah. Not bad though. Well, we left Kyabram behind and we have made it to Tongalong. Now this camp, I believe it's called Tongalong. This camp is on the Murray River, free camp. And I tell you what, if it isn't one of the best camps we've been to, I don't know what is, honestly, out of control. Now the fishing is a little bit quiet, it's got to be said, but I did bag my very first Murray cod. Check it out. I was so stoked about this one. Yeah, boy! Got a cod! Holy moly!
Good one. Oh, is it?
Yeah, wow. My first one, sorry, we're just running into some logs here. Let me just get out. I got a cod! That is so sick! Holy molies! Oh, that is so sick! Hey, whoa, whoa.
Jesus. Oh, only just?
Yeah. Oh. Ow. You got teeth. Yes. Holy doolies, that is a Murray cod. Yes.
Take her off.
Yes, that is so sick. Oh, we've been using yabbies and a bit of chicken before, but we decided to come for a flick, and this is what we're after. Murray cod. We're on the Murray River camping, and mate, you cannot ask for anything better than that. Hey, holy doolies! Look at the gob on him. And this isn't even a big one. I'm just so stoked that I even caught one, eh? Oh.
How big do they have to be?
He's 47. 47. So, yeah, I don't know. I might have to call. We're with Kate's cousins, and we might have to call them because you can't eat these guys. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure about it. So, we'll make a call and we'll be back with yous. Righto, well, he's 47 and the legal size is 55 to 75. So, I mean, we were only ever going to keep him just to have a bit of a taste test anyway, because apparently you can eat them and they're not too bad, but he's not legal. But that doesn't matter, I'm so stoked. I'm just so stoked we caught one, eh? Murray River, caught a Murray cod. That is like huge bucket list item for me. So anyway, we're going to release this fella, he's just in the net. And watch him swim off. Boom. That is so sick. Anyway, we've got to put the camera down. We're about to run into some more logs. Yes. That was so cool. We're going to head back out again this afternoon. Rip the tinny off, and what we did was actually just threw it straight down the bank, down here. So we just put it in there, straight in there, tied it up, and away you go. But we've just been heading downstream a bit and flicking like little spinner baits into all the timber. Yeah, it's been working. It's fun. It's an absolute bloody unreal spot. Absolutely love it. We're here for, I think, one more night, and then we're going to start heading north. Anywho, I think, yeah, we'll go fishing down the Yabbie, and we'll take you there and see what we find. I reckon I might get the drone up now though. Hey, we're on. That's a better one.
That is a big one.
Oh, doesn't it get your heart pumping? Holy moly. Literally just dropped one, like just 10 meters back. Oh, I'm shaking. That's number 2. Hang on, I'll just get him out. Kind of learned the hard way last time. Not to put your thumb in their mouth. I mean, it's not bad, they're not. It's just a bit raspy, yeah. Holy.
Is he big?
Yeah. 56.
Oh, he's legal.
56 centimetre cod. There you go, he is legal. Absolutely nailed him. I reckon there's a fair old storm brewing behind us, so maybe the storm might have turned him on, but yeah, anyway, how bloody awesome is that? Number 2. We've got to get Kate one. Yes, all right, let's get the release. Oops. It's biting onto the lip grips. Off you go. Away he goes. Number 2, baby.
Net?
No, we're good. We're good.
Another big one here, the net's right there. Oh no. That's a bloody rip spotter. Holy! Look at his big belly. That's massive.
Holy shit. Oh. Oh my god. Have a go at this. I'm like shaking. Oh, it just smacked this little spinnerbait right at the boat and absolutely crunched it. Oh, I'm shaking. Holy doolies. He went back under a log. I honestly don't know how I pulled him out, eh? But as far as Murray cod go, I don't think it's that big, but
It's wide as.
yeah, for me it is massive. Anyway,
Measure him.
yeah, I'll measure him. Get that out.
Holy shit.
68. 68 centimetre cod. Yes. Holy, alright, let's put him back. Right, we're going to give this a go. I'm standing at the bottom. This is about how high we got to get it. How hard could it be?
Famous last words.
Famous last words. I was going to use the car, but I'm just going to have a quick go at just physically lifting it, I reckon. Kate's going to be the rope girl. So you're going to want to really lift. Yep, and 3, 2, 1.
Is the rope in a snake?
Okay. No, that's good. It's a great start. 3, 2.
Hang on.
Yeah. Easy as that, mate. You come towards the front of the creek. Oh, whew, how good was that? I was a bit worried about that. Maybe we should have kept fishing. Nah, easy as that. We've just got it here. The boat trailer over here, I'll just have to sort of maneuver it under the trailer, because usually when we pack it up, Usually, obviously the boat is on the trailer and we just remove the wheels off the boat. So this is something different. But how hard could it be? That bit I thought was going to be the hard bit, so beautiful. Let's get into that. How good's the fire? Good morning. This morning we're off. We're leaving the Murray River behind and we're heading up to Young. About a 6-hour steam north. So we're going to get in nice and early. It's about 7 o'clock now. So bit of brekkie and we're off. Just got to hook the van up. But we woke up this morning and watched the sunrise, and I tell you what, it is just spectacular here. It is honestly amazing. Funny story, we were drifting down the river yesterday and we heard a bunch of white cockatoos just going off their head and we couldn't work out what was going on. And anyway, we've drifted past and there was a koala like scurrying up a tree and they were all just harassing it. But it was pretty funny, and I don't know if you've ever heard a koala like make their, it sounds like a pig. And yeah, he was just like, we thought it was a pig at first. They were all up a pig, but yeah, next minute koala running up the tree. Kate did get a video of it on her phone. It's super zoomed in because it was a fair way away, but yeah, have a go at it. Gonna make tracks, head to Young, and we might even get the drone up on the way out of here because it's pretty specky, driving into this little location we're at now.